Walking down the aisles of a grocery store, it may surprise you what products have red dye 3 in them. To check, you have to grab an item off the shelf and look at the ingredient list.
The things that they hide food dyes in is crazy. We have to constantly be reading labels.
Alyssa Biddle thinks twice when it comes to what her 3 kids eat.
It's been an amazing journey to see the difference in all of their behavior.
2 years ago, she stopped feeding them food with synthetic food dyes.
At first, it can feel really overwhelming. The more people we heard were going off food dyes, I was like, that's just like, it seems so daunting.
From reading labels, the added expense of an alternative, to making snacks at home, there is a price to pay. But her children's health and well-being is invaluable.
Our oldest daughter, I think we've seen the biggest difference. So she used to have really bad night terrors, but since we've cut out food dyes, that's not even an issue at all.
On Wednesday, the FDA removed authorization for the artificial food coloring Red No. 3. Studies show it can cause cancer in rats, though it hasn't been confirmed to cause cancer in humans. Health advocacy groups have spent years trying to get it off the shelves.
Over 3 decades ago, a series of industry-conducted studies in rats clearly showed that this chemical, Red 3, was associated with thyroid cancers. And the law is also clear that when a chemical causes cancer in humans or animals, it is not supposed to be in the food supply.
The dye can be found in candy, frosting, strawberry milk, and frozen desserts, as well as supplements and oral medication. Thousands of products.
It is only Red Dye 3, but it's still a huge step.
Food manufacturers have until January 2027 to remove the dye from their products. Drug makers have until January 2028. One less dye for Biddle to look out for.
It's really, just changed our kids for the better.
In Billings, Haley Monaco, MTN News.